Hey everyone, welcome to this web development course, a complete journey from beginner to full stack developer. In this series, we will cover everything you need to become a professional web developer, from front end to back end and databases. We will also dive into React, build real world projects, and learn how to deploy our websites online. Now you might be wondering why should we learn web development? Well, जैसा कि हम देखते हैं कुछ वेबसाइट्स हैं, नेटफ्लिक्स हो गया, ऊबर, एयरबीएनबी, ये सारे MERN स्टैक के बेस पे बने हुए एप्लीकेशन हैं. MERN स्टैक इज़ वेरी हाई इन डिमांड एंड ग्रेट करियर ऑप्शन. It helps to turn our ideas into real websites, app and digital products. After learning it, we can apply for remote jobs, do freelancing and even start our own startup. It has endless growth. This is how our course is structured. First, we will start with front-end part, learn HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Then we will move to React.js. In backend development, we will learn Node.js and React databases, work with SQL and MongoDB. Then we will also learn version control and deployment. Here is how the course is structured. Start with HTML, move to CSS, master JavaScript, learn Git and GitHub, explore Node.js and Express, understanding databases, dive into React.js. After learning this all, we will put it together with MERN Stack projects. Full stack apps like blog, e-commerce sites and chat apps. We are also planning to provide you career guidance to build your portfolio, resume and get ready for your first developer job. At the end of this course, you will build a full stack project. Think of it like your own mini version of Netflix, Uber or Airbnb. Complete with authentication, APIs, databases and a beautiful front end. This is not just theory. You will have real world projects to show in your portfolio and ready to impress recruiters or clients. So if और जैसा कि हमने अपने पोस्ट पे डाला है, ये सारे वीडियोस अल्टरनेट डेज पे आएंगे. एक दिन फ्लटर आएगा और एक दिन वेब डेवलपमेंट का. ये सारे वीडियोस रिकॉर्डेड होने वाले हैं और तुम लोग कमेंट कर सकते हो डेट, तब से हम डालना स्टार्ट कर देंगे. थैंक यू.